Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to appear offline in Roblox mobile. So first up, open your Roblox on your mobile phone. And here, basically, just tap on the three dots right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now once you tap on that option, want to go and scroll down and tap on the settings. Now under your settings, just need to tap on this privacy. Now, under your privacy, as you can see here, who can message me? So you just need to set from friends to no one. And basically, if you have a PIN, you just need to enter your PIN. And once you've done here, you just need to go to the second one, who can chat you with in-app. I'll set to no one, who can text with me. So set again to no one. And then scroll down here under the other settings. Then here who can make a member of their private server. So again, set to no one. Who can join me in experiences. So from this option, set to no one. And finally, who can see my inventory, set to no one. So basically, you just need to set no one, all of the settings right here. So you will appear offline in Roblox mobile. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So see you again on the next one.